Good morning, dear students. So in the last video what we have learned, we started the third lesson, that is how the sun was rescued, and we have already seen that the evil spirits, it stole the sun from the sky and they kept it in a white stone pot. So the animals, they just took a meeting and they were discussing like who is going to get back or who is going to fetch the sun from those evil spirits. So first all the animals said that polar bear. So after that the crow, what it said? No, the crow said that we are going to send polar bear. Then owl, what it said? No, as soon as he will get some food, he will forget all about his duty. So don't want polar bear. And at next, then crow suggested wolf, as wolf is the second strongest animal in the forest. So it suggested wolf. Then again owl said nonsense, don't want wolf, because wolf is also, it is greedy animal. Whenever it is going to see some deers, it will just forget all about its job and it will go behind that deer and it will search for its food. So don't want wolf also. Then next, a little mouse, she raised her voice and what she said? We'll send hare. She can run, the hare can run fast. Okay, so all the animals started, what? All the animals started crying, the hare, the hare. So now next what will happen? We'll see. Okay, see here. So the hare was chosen. He hopped and skipped for many days across the land. One day he saw rays of light coming from inside the earth through a narrow crack. So all the animals chose hare to fetch back the sun, or to get back the sun from the evil spirits. So the the hare, it was chosen. It hopped and skipped, like it was moving here and there very quickly and making small jumps to each steps to find out where the sun is. And for many days he did the same. And one day he saw rays of light coming from inside the earth through one narrow crack. So one day as he was hopping and jumping, he saw from a narrow crack, he saw some rays are coming out. So when he put his eye to the crack, he was able to see a white stone pot. The pot was shiny and smooth. A ball of fire was burning inside. So he saw the crack. In that crack, the sun, the rays were coming. So he just put his eyes into that crack and he was able to see what? He was able to see the white stone pot. So in that, one shining ball was there inside that burning, shiny, burning ball was there inside that white stone pot. That must be the sun, thought the hare. So by looking at that white stone pot, what the hare started to think? That it must be the sun. So the brave little hare squeezed through the crack and hopped over to where the ball of fire lay. He snatched it up from the stone pot and moved fast to spring up through the crack. Okay, so after it came to know that it is sun, what it did? The brave hare squeezed through the crack and hopped over to where the ball of fire lay. So what it did? It squeezed itself and just went into that crack and it hopped where the ball of fire was there. Inside that it hopped and it snatched it up from the stone pot and moved fast to spring up through the crack. He snatched. Snatched means he took hold of something suddenly and roughly. So he holded suddenly and roughly the sun. So he he snatched it up from the stone pot. So he tried to take it out, or he tried to pull it out from the stone pot, and moved fast to spring up through the crack. So spring means see, move quickly and suddenly towards a particular place. So he moved fast to spring up through the crack. Then the little hare ran as fast as his legs would carry him, but it was not long before the evil spirits caught up with him. So it was trying to what? Like it was trying to snatch the sun and it was trying to bring it outside. But it was just running as fast as it can. But then it caught up with the evil spirits. Just as they were about to grab him, he gave the ball of fire a hard kick with his hind legs, breaking it into two, one part small, other big. Okay, so before they grab him, the evil spirits grabbed the hare. What it did? It gave a ball, it gave a hard kick to the ball of fire. Okay, so it gave a hard kick to that ball of fire. Then that ball of fire, it broke into two, one small part and one more bigger part. Okay, with a second kick he sent with a second kick he sent the smaller part flying high into the air until it reached the heaven. Okay, so when first he kicked, that time that ball of fire broken into two, one smaller and one bigger. And next, when it kicked second time, what happened? The smaller part, it flew high into the air until it reached heaven. Okay, so and there it became the moon. So the smaller part, it went into the heaven and it became moon. Okay, so what happened to the next part, which was bigger one? Where it went? In the heaven, or it stayed with the evil spirits? We'll see in the next class. Thank you, students.